Hello everyone. Today I'm driving with a bunch of guys from a tent house and decoration party. We are going to Indisen village to set up a tent and decorate it for a wedding reception party to be held tomorrow. So I will be helping the tent house party all day long, and today's video is going to be all about setting up the tent and decorating it. So keep watching the video and do like, share and subscribe. It's been one hell of a tiring day, and we've completed setting up the tent, but the decorating party has a little bit more to do. But it's 11:30 p.m. and we are getting ready to wind it up for tonight. Tomorrow early in the morning we'll complete all the rest of the work that's left to be done. So see you tomorrow. Hello there. Good morning. I woke up a little bit late, but it's all because I slept very late last night. But anyway, I am about to reach the place and I'm going to show you what we did yesterday. So let's go. So here we are. So we're all set and done. Everything is completed. We'll leave it all to the wedding party to enjoy, and congratulations in advance, Ian and Tunsa. Well, that will be all for the tent house and decoration video. I hope you liked it and it was interesting for you. I'll see you on the next one. Please do like, share and subscribe. That will be all for today. Bye.